We'll guide you through how to download and install OBS on a PC. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. OBS is the most popular streaming and recording software that is available for free. Just go and open your browser and type OBS on Chrome, hit enter to search, and open the first website. I've Windows installed, so I will click on the Windows option, although it is available for both Mac and Linux operating systems. Just start the download, and after downloading, open and install the application with an easy setup. Now, as you can see here, I've already installed the OBS and have been using it to capture videos, and I will now give you a complete tutorial to set up this software to get the best results. First, go to the scenes. I've already added a scene because this video is being captured at the moment. You'll have to click on this plus button right here and create a new scene by pressing OK. You can rename it if you want, but I am just going to leave it like this. Move to the sources and again, click on this icon to add a source. You can select all available sources to capture or stream. I've already added the display capture source to capture my screen. You can also hide or show these by clicking on this eye icon. Next, we have audio mixer, screen transition options, and these buttons to start and stop streaming or recording. Now let me also show you some tweaks to enhance recording quality. Just go to the top left side, select File, and click on Settings. A new pop-up will appear. Now from the left panel, go to Output. From here, you can change the settings according to your hardware and network speed. I'll show you the best recording settings for 1080p resolution. Select the recording tab from above and choose the MP4 option from here because it is commonly used and easily editable. From the video encoder, if you have a NVIDIA GPU, select NVIDIA HEVC or H.264, and if you don't have any external GPU, just select this option. Now scroll down and copy these encoder settings exactly for a crisp 1080p 60 FPS recording. Just pause the video and copy all of these settings to your OBS. And that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.